Everything you're watching right now was created almost entirely by Claude Sonnet 5's free tier. I didn't spend hours animating these scenes, building motion graphics, or writing complicated code. Instead, I let Claude generate the entire animation step by step. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I did it, from creating premium 3D motion graphics to exporting the final result using completely free tools. Now go to Claude and click on the sidebar, select Artifacts, then click New Artifact, choose Creative Projects. Before continuing, go to Models and select Extra or High for handling more complex tasks. Avoid selecting Max because it consumes significantly more tokens. For most projects, Extra or High provides a good balance between performance and token usage. Also make sure to turn thinking mode off. Now paste the exact prompt. The prompt is structured in two parts. First, describe the desired outcome, then provide a clear step-by-step prompt. This helps save times and reduces token usage. I also provided a skill.md file so Claude can learn from it. Once it has processed the file, wait for a few moments while it generates the workflow based on the instructions. As you can see, it starts generating the code automatically. If you are getting bored while it's generating, feel free to fast forward this part of the video. If you are a beginner with no editing experience, you can use AI to create animated videos. It can generate motion graphics, kinetic typography, and even 3D animations. For this demonstration, I am building a simple animation, but it is capable of creating much more advanced projects, including high quality 3D renders. In this video, I'll also show you how I create YouTube shorts using Claude. At the end of that video, I'll also play the final result, so you can see what it created. That project was built using Claude Sonnet 5 and includes 3D animation. There were a few minor issues in the generated output, although I am not sure whether they were actual mistakes or caused by my prompt. Even so, you can create that Claude created a very good basic animation, and it is capable of producing much more advanced animations as well. It generated a small issue in the animation. It wasn't an error, just a basic animation problem. It created a playback track that isn't needed, so I'll remove it using another prompt. I've already given a prompt, so let's wait a few moments while it fixes the issue. Now let's take a look at the final generated output. As you can see, it has produced a pretty good result. Keep in mind that this is just a basic example. Claude is capable of creating much more advanced and complex animation using Claude Sonnet 5. You can also check out my YouTube shorts linked below to see what it's really capable of. Once you're satisfied with the output, click download and save the HTML file. Create a folder and place the downloaded HTML file along with all your images, videos, files inside it. Claude references assets using file names such as image.png, video1.mp4 or video.mp4. Simply rename your files to match the file names used in the generated HTML, or update the file names inside the HTML code to match your assets. After that, open the HTML file in your browser. The images and videos will automatically load into the animation and you're good to go. As you can see, most of the visuals in my YouTube shorts are created using Claude Sonnet 5. Not all of them, some are edited manually using traditional video editing software, but most of my shorts are generated with Claude on the free tier. For example, the latest NVIDIA themed YouTube short on my channel was created using this workflow. The visuals and animations were generated with Claude without relying on expensive APIs or paid AI tools. In fact, for most of my automation projects and app development, I use only free AI APIs. As you can see, most of the animations in my YouTube shorts and videos are completely generated by Claude Sonnet 5. The best part is that I created them using the free tier. I didn't use any expensive APIs or paid tools. In fact, for most of my automation projects and app development, I rely only on free AI APIs and free AI agents. If you're looking for the best free AI APIs or free AI agents, check the links in the description. I've already made dedicated videos covering them, so you can get started without spending any money. From idea to a fully animated video, almost everything was generated with Claude Sonnet 5 free tier. If this saved you hours of editing or gave you a new idea, consider subscribing. I will be sharing more AI workflows, automation tricks, and cinematic motion graphics like this using free AI tools.